NASA's latest discovery has left scientists stunned. A super-Earth just 137 light-years away and 4 Earth-like planets orbiting Barnard's star. Could this be the breakthrough in the search for alien life? Journey with us through the stars as we unravel these cosmic wonders. In the name of Allah, the most merciful, the most compassionate, I bear witness that there is no deity but Allah, and that Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him and his family and companions, is his final messenger. Indeed, in the creation of the heavens and the earth and the alternation of the night and the day are signs for those of understanding. Look up. Above you lies a silent ocean of stars, each one a sun, each one home to mysteries beyond imagination. And today, we have a story from that sky, a discovery that might change how we see the universe and ourselves. In recent weeks, NASA confirmed the discovery of not just one, but 5 new exoplanets, alien worlds orbiting stars beyond our own. One of them is a super-Earth, larger than our own, orbiting in the habitable zone. And the others? 4 small planets circling one of the closest stars to us, Barnard's star. Could one of them host life? Let's journey into deep space to find out. The super-Earth, called TOI 715b, around 137 light-years away from Earth, there lies a star named TOI 715, a small red dwarf, dim and quiet. It's not much to look at. But orbiting this star is a planet that's caught the attention of every major space agency on Earth. TOI 7115b. What's so special about it? It's roughly 1.5 times larger than Earth, and it sits squarely inside the habitable zone, the narrow band around a star where liquid water could exist. Let's pause there. Liquid water, the foundation of life. Everywhere we've ever found water, we've found life. So when we say TOI 7115b might have water, we're saying it might have life. The habitable zone, what it means. The habitable zone isn't a guarantee, it's a potential, a possibility. Too close to the star and water evaporates, too far and it freezes. But in the middle, there's a sweet spot, just right. And TOI 715b orbits inside that golden zone. But here's what makes this even more exciting. NASA's TESS mission, Transiting Exoplanet Survey Satellite, found this planet because it dims its star's light ever so slightly each time it passes in front. That regular dimming lets us estimate its size, orbit, and even hints at its atmosphere. This super-Earth completes one orbit in just 19 days. Yes, 19 Earth days make up 1 full year on TOI 715b. Imagine a year that ends before your coffee goes stale. A possibility of another Earth. Now the big question, could we live there? Let's break that down. It's rocky. Check. It's stable. Check. It's not a gas giant. Check. It's in the habitable zone. Check. What we don't know yet is, does it have an atmosphere? Does it have water? Are there oceans beneath the clouds? Are there winds, seasons, maybe even life? This is where the James Webb Space Telescope comes in. NASA plans to use JWST to scan the atmosphere of TOI 7115b in the near future. If they find oxygen, carbon dioxide, or methane, that would be groundbreaking. That would mean this world might not just be habitable, but inhabited. Now, Barnard's star enters the story. While the world was buzzing about TOI 715b, another discovery was quietly made, and it might be just as big. Meet Barnard's star, the second closest star to Earth after the Alpha Centauri system, only 6 light-years away. A red dwarf, just like TOI 715. But this one has a history. In 2018, astronomers thought they'd found a super-Earth orbiting Barnard's star, but the data was inconclusive. Now in 2025, 4 confirmed rocky planets have been spotted in its orbit, all smaller than Earth. Yes, you heard that right. 4 sub-Earth-sized planets orbiting a star so close that in cosmic terms, it's practically our neighbor. Why this is huge? Let's reflect. We now have 5 new planets, all rocky. two different star systems. One of them barely 6 light years away, close enough to reach one day with future propulsion technology. These planets are not gas giants like Jupiter or Saturn. They're terrestrial, Earth-like with solid surfaces. Scientists believe one or more of these Barnard's star planets might also lie within the habitable zone. But we need more data. The implications? If life can evolve around red dwarfs, the most common stars in the galaxy, then life might be everywhere. Everywhere. What NASA is planning next. NASA is not stopping here. The James Webb Space Telescope, the extremely large telescope in Chile, and future missions like LUVOIR are all being prepared to scan these exoplanets in detail, looking for the biosignatures of life. Think about that. In our lifetime, we might get the first clear evidence that Earth is not alone. A deeper question: why are we looking? Now pause for a moment. Why are we searching? Why do we build billion-dollar telescopes? Why do we peer into the stars, hoping for a glimpse of another blue dot? Because we are seeking connection. We are seekers of meaning. And in every planet we discover, we see a mirror. A chance to understand who we are, where we come from, and where we're going. Some search for aliens. Others search for signs of divine design. But all of us are searching for truth. Is there life out there? If life does exist on TOI 715b or Barnard's Star's planets, what would it look like? Would it be microbial life swimming in alien oceans? Or would it be intelligent, watching us from across the stars, wondering the same questions we are? Science can't answer that yet, but here's what we know. The ingredients for life, water, carbon, energy, and time exist across the galaxy. And now, we know that Earth-like planets are not rare, they're common. As Muslims, we are taught that the heavens and the earth are signs for those who reflect. And it is He who sends down the rain after they had despaired and spreads His mercy. And He is the protector, the praiseworthy. What if these planets are signs? Not just of life, but of purpose, to remind us of the vastness of Allah's creation, to humble us, to inspire awe, to renew our search, not just for life beyond earth, but for meaning within ourselves. So, the next time you look up at the night sky, know that somewhere out there is a world orbiting TOI 715. There are tiny planets dancing around Barnard's star, and maybe, just maybe, they too are watching the stars. Keep wondering, keep seeking, and never forget, we are part of something far greater than we can imagine. This is Harun Niazi, and this is the beginning of a new cosmic story. Subscribe for more stories that awaken the soul. And until next time, peace be upon you. And may Allah guide our steps through the stars.